She takes another step, and slowly she opens the door. Jack Daddy is sleeping, pick up all the broken glass and furniture on the floor. Been up half the night screaming, now it's time to get away. Pack up the kids in the car. Another bruise to try and hide, another alibi to write, another ditch in the road. You keep moving, another stop sign. You keep moving on. And the years go by so fast. Wonder how I ever made it through. There are children to think of, babies asleep in the backseat. Wonder how they'll ever make it through this living nightmare. But the mind is an amazing thing, full of candy dreams and new toys and another cheap motel, 2 beds and a coffee machine. There are groceries to buy, and she knows she'll have to go home. Another ditch in the road, you keep moving. Another stop sign, you keep moving on. And the years go by so fast. Wonder how I ever made it through. Another bruise to try and hide, another alibi to write, another lonely highway in the black of night. There's hope in the darkness, you know you're gonna make it. Another ditch in the road, keep moving. Another stop sign, keep moving on. And the years go by so fast. Silent fortress built to last. Wonder how I